Hi, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to quickly go over copying and pasting the code for the animation for the weapons from the pistol into the other three. So fairly straightforward, so I'm just going to run through them quick in this lesson. So I'm going to begin by copying the private animation pistol anim for the component and the two public animation clips. So let's come to shotgun and we'll paste those in. As you can see, I've tidied up the scripts, but I've made no changes other than just tidying up the comments. So we'll change it to shotgun anim. We'll change it in the inspector as well. And in fact, let's just copy that. We'll paste that in to the animation clips and we'll just auto paste it over pistol. In the two naming conventions, let's just tidy everything back up. And we've just got to copy. And we'll just do the same for the machine gun and then we'll do the same for the rifle. As I said, straightforward and easy, but we've got to get it done, so let's get these in place straight away and then we can move on to again some of the more interesting things. Let's just get this basic code we're going to need in place. I changed it to rifle. That's in the wrong script. So that should be machine gun. Let's just copy that. And again, remembering to always change out the comments. With that done for all the scripts now, we'll need to also copy the line where we get the animation component from the void start. And again, we'll just need to change this for each script. We'll do the machine gun next. And again, finally for the rifle. And with those in place, let's come down to the bottom of the script and we'll copy both these voids. So I'm just going to paste both of them in all the other scripts, remembering just before the very last close bracket. Obviously you can put them where you like, but I'm going to put mine here. So here we go, pistol anim. And let's come down and change out the variables. So pistol anim, shotgun anim. And of course there's 4 places we need to do that. And we'll also copy and paste that straight over the next line. So let's again quickly change out the comments. In fact, I'll change it in this one as well, from pistol to shotgun. And again, we'll copy and paste it over the old variable in the next line. We'll just tidy everything up. Obviously, we need to remember to change the naming convention for the voids. And we'll swap those excuse me. Swap those naming conventions out with the debug log as well. And we've just got to do the same for the other ones. So I'm just changing out all the animation naming conventions. And machine gun shoot anim in both those lines. Changing it as well in the comments, so let's change that out there, and we'll do the other void while we're at it. So we'll also change up the name of voids. Machine gun, and again we'll swap it out in the debug log. And of course the reload animations need to be swapped out for the correct naming convention. And finally we'll do the rifle. So I'll swap out those naming conventions for the voids. The animation component. And of course we've got plenty more to do with the weapons. Obviously we'll need to actually create the animations and implement them. I mean, we've only got the basic coding, we'll need to call these functions, but we'll also be adding some particle effects just to again add some more realism to the way it looks. And I am going to actually add some more weapons, some melee weapons. that was a request I got ages ago. I did say that once I came back around and started overhauling this series, I would implement those as well. But that's both voids done now for the rifle script, and we'll leave it here for this lesson. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.